Hey lovelies, it's Tracy. Hair masks are a particularly important part of my routine, and every Friday I use one to try and strengthen what bleach has weakened. I have been testing out a brand new line. This is the Revitabond line from Acure. This is their revitalizing support hair mask. It is not as thick as I'm used to. For starters, you can get it to squeeze out of a tube, which is rare. It has a little heavier than conditioner heft to it. Has a nice smell. It reminds me a little bit of baking spices. There's a little bit of almond in there. What I do is I use this in lieu of conditioner and then rinse it out about 3 or 4 minutes later and dry my hair. Unfortunately for me, this one did not really pan out. It does not have a strong enough emollient quality for my hair. My hair actually, after it was dried, still looked honestly a little frizzy, and like it felt a little rough, like the cuticle wasn't completely smooth. So this one, even though I think it's a nice product, it probably is not going to work for somebody with the kind of damage that I have in my hair. But if you have normal hair, I think this is a nice option because of the ingredients. The smell is something that most people will only need to use once a week. For me, it's about a 3-star product, but if you check it out, let me know what you think.